back with another hair video today by Sunber Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's hair video. This hair has the Bye Bye Knots pre-plucked hairline for a quick install, bare hook strap and pre-shaped, ear tabs for easy installation, and the elasticity of the hair and internal structure of the cap. The two adjustable straps can now be easily removed and adjusted in 4 positions. This upgrade will be very friendly to girls with smaller head circumferences. Y'all, this looks so good. The jerry curl texture is a natural and gorgeous. Beautiful wig is suitable for summer and vacation. The texture of this unit will be so much fuller and fluffy after you define the curls, diffuse it, and fluff it out, you guys. It'll look even better. Y'all, this unit looks so good, and I'm showing y'all the parting space that you get with this unit. So I'm just going in with my foundation to blend out the lace because this unit is 100% glueless, okay? And we're gonna also use my foundation powder to define the parts and blend it in. Now I'm just going to cut layers because layers always make the wig look so much better. So that's what we're doing. Look how gorgeous this is, and I have not even added my leave-in conditioner or anything yet. Just look at how beautiful this unit is. So now I'm just defining the curls with water and leave-in conditioner. We're gonna also add mousse, and I'm going to comb the hair out. Do y'all see how good this looks? Look, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. And all details on this unit will be down in the description box below. So make your purchase today to slay with Jay. Okay.